So now we do it again with contacts. So go to contacts, go to import contacts, pick the same file, because it's all on the same file. Just close this, click next. Again, are you updating, or are these all new people? If they're both, again, click both, select the email address saying this is the unique identifier for that person. But I'm just going to do add new contacts. Again, it's going to find out if you've got first name, you'll be able to map to first name. You'll see last name has got the star, so must be used. What you want to do is, if you've got full name, put it in as last name. Company name is account name. Address is, I mean, you may not need to do address for the contacts, but you can if you want. It's going to be the company address, really, isn't it? You're not really going to have personal addresses for contacts, but again, you can map it if you want. So mailing street. All right, yeah. What am I on actually? Address, right? So department description, MailChimp. Oh, that's not. Other city. Account name, first name, mailing city, mailing postcode, mailing province. So we're looking for mailing street, mailing city, mailing count is the same as state. I don't know why it says both. It must be on the spreadsheet. Phone number, and then this time you may have a phone too. Phone number, other phone, map it to other phone, email and website. I don't know why it's got my email there. So go to website. If you want Twitter, it may not have website on that. It's my screen's trying to pick it up. Go away. Can't see a website, which is probably why I didn't pick it up. So if you might have a website and you can tig it, but then I'm going to say I'm happy. Yes, we know there's two fields not mapped. Again, we're going to go assign owners. You can say if you've got rules set up, you can do that. If you've got tasks you want to create, you can. Again, we can go import 2019 or whatever you want to call it, just so you can filter to that. Enable manual contact approval. I mean, if you've got 500, it's going to take a while to do manual. I would just click finish, and it will again start importing everybody from that list. And you'll get a notification and an email once it is done. So just while I'm waiting, again, I'm just going to go down to tags. Tag, there's the email that it's done. I'm going to add the tag. I don't know why save doesn't close. Refresh it. And all my imported ones are now tagged as that, right? So that's how to import it. I've probably got an email. The email's probably on the way. Come on. The email will come through eventually, but we know it's worked, right?